Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Radical Lifestyle. Today we are heading towards the majestic Tripunithura Hill Palace. This is Kerala's archaeological museum and a splendid emblem of the erstwhile Cochin royal family. Nestled amidst lush greenery, this historic complex invites us to a journey through time and explore its architectural grandeur and cultural significance. The palace was constructed in 1865 as the official residence and administrative headquarters of the Maharaja of Cochin. Spanning over 54 acres, this palace complex comprises of 49 buildings, each reflecting the opulence and architectural brilliance of Kerala's old heritage. The Hill Palace was commissioned in 1865 by Maharaja Rama Varma XV, serving as a royal office and court. Over time, it expanded to include residential quarters, administrative offices, and the courts of the nobility. In 1980, the Cochin royal family entrusted the palace to the government of Kerala, and by 1986, it was transformed into a public museum under the Department of Archaeology. The architecture of the Hill Palace is a harmonious blend of traditional Kerala styles and colonial influences. The complex showcases traditional Kerala architecture, notable for its sloping tiled roofs, wooden carvings, and expansive verandas, reflecting the indigenous design and aesthetics. Some of the European influences include the Northern Block, completed in 1898 during Maharaja Rama Varma's reign. This was designed by European engineers, introducing elements like large windows and ornate facades. Inside, the museum houses 14 categories of exhibits, including royal ornaments, paintings and sculptures, coins and inscriptions, and ceremonial furniture. Throughout the video, you'll be seeing me show this informational deck that they have put up. So please feel free to pause and read at your own pace, and then continue to enjoy the video. We are about to enter the jewelry gallery, but unfortunately, video was not allowed there. But we saw a lot of great pieces there, including a gold crown embedded with precious stones, along with some very exquisite jewelry that once adorned the royal family. A cool fact about this palace is that there have been lots of Malayalam movies that have been filmed here at this location. The cinematic allure of Hill Palace has made it a sought-after location for filmmakers. One of the most notable movies that was filmed here is called Tripunithura. It was filmed back in 1993. It was a psychological thriller that utilized the palace's grandeur to enhance its narrative. Now, Tripunithura has gone on to be remade in many different languages and is still one of the most popularly watched movies. Beside the palace itself, there are other places to visit within the property. Now, as you're walking through the palace gardens and the surrounding areas, you will also find a medicinal plant garden, a children's park, and a deer park. The deer park is a sanctuary that houses a variety of deer species. It offers visitors a chance to connect with nature. Walking through these serene gardens, it's evident that the palace serves not only as a historical monument, but also as a haven for biodiversity and relaxation. Now we're going to check out some of the famous spots that were featured in the film Tripunithura. Fans of Malayalam cinema might recognize this famous stairwell from the film. This is where the palace's mystique played a pivotal role in the story. Tripunithura fans will also recognize this particular pond. This also played a very pivotal role in the movie. Our exploration of the Tripunithura Hill Palace offers a window into Kerala's regal past, architectural brilliance, and cultural richness. Whether you're a history enthusiast, architecture aficionado, or a cinema lover, this palace promises a captivating experience. If you enjoyed this journey through time, please like, share, and subscribe for more explorations just like this.